Okay, this is the door to my garden office. So let's go and have a look what's going on today before we get into some tasks we want to set out for the coming weeks. Okay, winter will come to an end and we'll... Okay, let me take you on the tour. So there's my bottom section. I have to probably clean up a bit there. There's some worms there. Yes, I have to put out the washing, some planting. I have to get grass going. Okay, but let's first quickly have a walk up to the top of the garden. Okay, I've set out a bit of a path last summer, and I've also cleaned up the trees a bit. It's peach trees, so hopefully that's going to go well. And the aloe tree is picking up also. Okay, previous task, and the orange tree. I'm not that tired yet, but there's a bench if we want to rest. Some general cleaning up work to be done. The splash pool is awesome. Nice place to chill. That's just rainwater, so I have to clean it up. Unfortunately, I don't have a filter, so I still have to figure that one out. So please leave comments, some advice. I try to do things as natural as possible and as cheap as possible, of course, as well. Okay, the trees are coming up nicely. The flowers will be awesome, and the birds will love. There's the sunbirds and the sugar birds. Okay, but let's go up. Okay, there's a tree, lemon. We've got lemon trees and different things. We have to still figure that out. So again, comment, assist. I know my father-in-law's also assisting a bit and some advice, because we want some lemons and oranges and fruit from the garden. It's scarring, but the quality is still low, so I probably have to cut it back a bit. There's two paths. That's my favorite one, going up. Don't think it's too bad. This is the highest point of the garden. The neighbors running into problems with their pool. Okay, that's the top corner. We're probably going to have to look at the roof as well a bit. See what's going on with the roof. Moving down. I don't want to touch the top of the garden too much. I like the rugged look, so I wish actually the fruit trees were at the bottom part of the garden, not the top part of the garden. But we'll figure that one out. There surely must be the favorite bush in the garden as it's being used the most. So it's rosemary, rosmarijn. Use it quite a lot. It was cut back quite a lot as well, but this is an awesome bush or shrub. Okay, so aesthetically can probably make it a bit more pleasing at the bottom of the garden. Maybe growing some grass for the little one. Okay, there's the path that I'll probably take back down to the house. Definitely want to neaten up a bit here. In future it might be a nice place for a deck, but that's unfortunately going to cost me money. So I still have to figure that one out as well, what I want to do with the corner. But it's giving a very, very nice overview on Belleville area. Okay, let's see if the roof is dry enough to go on top of the roof, hopefully safely. I'm still here. Just look at the garden, the back. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful in Cape Town, South Africa. Okay, so let's go. Oh yes, and 2 water tanks. The feeding in is not good enough. It's really, we had so much rain this winter and it's not filled up, so it's really, I need to at some stage really try and figure out what's going on. If the slope needs to change, maybe. You can see there's actually water lying there. Maybe the slope is not right. Unfortunately, I have to figure that one out as well. But again, please leave comments, please leave advice. Okay. Roof seemed dry enough to walk. There's solar panels. Yes. Please also leave comments about painting a roof. Is it necessary? Will I really live the lifetime of the roof? The notches, that's probably the most important bit to fix up. Is it worthwhile? What should I do? Okay, just a quick, let's see if I can catch the birds by not falling off the roof. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're right at the top. Okay, we've got the solar panels. They're still pretty new, looking good. Not much work to do there. But yes, general cleaning of the roof. Maybe we get a high pressure water on top. Doesn't have to be that expensive. I think I've seen some for 1,000 rand. It's not that expensive. Let's try and be safe once you go to the chimney. Okay, there's a second set of solar panels. Okay, there's a chimney for the barbecue or braai area. Okay, so this one's going to be a bit of a project. As you can see, it's a little bit rusted. And also I want to get the waterproofing right there as well. So that's definitely going to be a project coming. Okay, so I have to get the rust off, I've got a sander which is going to work really well, so I'm just going to have to sand it down and then get proper paint. So I've got proper paint which I'll do in a future project for you. But please hit comments, hit like. I'll really appreciate your advice. Try to do it the right way around. Okay, you see the top, I'll probably try and get the cock off and clean it up a bit. Maybe I'll do that downstairs. Just get a proper view. Doesn't sound bad, so it's well greased, I suppose. But I think this baby you can lift up and then just maybe take it downstairs, although it'll probably be nice and easy to clean it up here as well. Just sand it down. Not sure about the inside. The inside looks okay, although maybe I'll take it down. I'll still decide what to do with this, but I'll do this on a sunny day. Cleaning of the roof in general. You can see there's a lot of water that's coming down there. I know on the inside there might be a bit damaged. Hope you enjoyed that 360 view. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a quick 360 view. So in the background, that's Tygerberg Mountain, just north of Cape Town. The background, I always get it wrong, but there's also some mountains, the Stellenbosch, Franschhoek Mountains. I can see quite far in the background. And I'm just turning around, so that's also Tygerberg. In the background, that's facing directly north. And if I turn around, that's basically pointing directly south. You can see all the way to Cape Point from here on a good sunshine day. Now, but let's go down again. This is really the top of the world. You can see that's the top of the world, looking to Cape Point. And then we've got Gordons Bay area in that direction, so that's looking south. Just a nice view from the top. The garden doesn't look too bad. Trying to keep it as natural as possible. No heavy trees that can come down in storms either. Downside is more the fruits, and the middle is our pool, and the top side I want to try and keep as natural as possible. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hit the like and subscribe buttons for more content to come your way. Bye bye.